dear friends. Today I am going to show you an experiment. Fire needs oxygen to survive. The materials needed are a tray, a tea light candle, a glass of water and another glass. Then put some water inside the tray. Then we should light the candle. I don't know how to light the candle, so my mama will light it for me. After that, put the glass upon this. Then you will see that the fire is going out slowly and slowly. And now this is floating. But my dear friends, do you know why does it happens? It happens because when the fire has consumed all the oxygen in the glass, it goes out. Then the glass makes a vacuum and the water is forced to come inside the glass and you see the candle floating. Thank you.